What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sawyer here at Sawyers Game Central, and today we are here with another tried and tested at the Gamer Guide. So what have we got today? We have the almighty Xbox Series X mini fridge. Yeah, we know they're hard to get hold of, but we managed to secure one and we've got one here to showcase for you today. We're going to snap into that unboxing and get it out for you guys, and let's see what's inside, if it works, how it goes, does it make a lot of noise, who knows. Let's go. Right guys, here you can see the almighty amazing Xbox Series X mini fridge. So we're going to dive straight in. On the side it says you can hold up to 12 soda cans. So on the back you can see they look similar to a range of what cans what we've got today. We're going to dive straight in and see what's in the box. Let's go. Your instruction manual. Tell you what settings to set it on, keep it, you know, clean and whatnot, but yeah. Take all that off. You can see this lovely design. You've got a USB at the bottom. You can turn it on and off, whatnot. A couple of buttons here. Open it up that way, make sure. Looking at the compartments here, it does look quite small and compact, so we might have to take a few of these out and whatnot. They are slidable, interchangeable, so you can take them out. Comes with the plug and whatnot, but it looks lovely inside. The design's really nice and slick. I like it, it looks great. But let's turn it on and see where we go from there. So obviously we'll need the plug. So this comes with, I believe that is for your car. But yeah, it comes with that, so you can maybe connect it to your car. Hey, I might just do that. Road trips, you name it, let's go. So this is a UK plug, obviously it's standard to each and every individual country. Pretty decent amount of length, I'd say about 1 metre there. Connection port is at the top, just up here, and there is on the back, there's an eco-friendly mode, and then obviously max cord and whatnot, your DC volts, your AC volts. Let's get the AC one in here. And then you need to see if it works. So straight away it's on, it works. Straight up I could hear some noise, so this may get loud. It sounds like you're running a PS3 or something. But yeah, straight away you've got your Xbox logo. It looks nice. It does look exactly like a Series X. You've got a few of the buttons to change the colouring and stuff, on and off. You've got your glow at the top. So that button there will turn that glow on. Straight away it starts to get cold. We need to see what we're going to fit in this fridge. So these interchangeable pallets will come out of the shelving. We're going to need to get rid of them at least, because we've got some drinks here today which we'll just get and put inside and see if they fit. Let's go. Right, so any gamer would obviously need an energy boost. So we're going to bang these in and see if they fit. Got a 4-pack of Monster here. So, 1 can, 2 can, 3 can, and 4 cans. So looking at there, you're only going to fit 4 cans of Monster in. You may, if you can set that one out, which you can, you may fit just as a very, very tight no. You're just going to fit 4 cans in. We tried, not possible. 4 cans of Monster you're going to get in there. So yeah, it looks like there is 4 cans of Monster in there, and that's all you can really fit in. If you have maybe some like average cans or some different sized can in, you might be better, and you can just interchange and slide in the shelving very easily enough. and then you just close it back up, and there you go. But from first aspects to this, there is a lot of, shall I say, unnecessary noise, but you would get that from any kind of fridge. Obviously it's booting up, but you can feel the cold air from the top. I like it. It's around £89.99 in the UK. You can only get these from Game in the UK and Target, I believe, in the States and Canada. But they are quite rare to get hold of. Unfortunately, there was a scalping issue. But we managed to luckily get one. It's going to stay in my setup and it's going to work very nicely. We'll have a little brief shot of it shortly. But I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 on the TGG review. Just for the size, obviously it's meant to be an Xbox Series X, so the size isn't massive. The noise, probably irritable, fairly irritable. But we're going to bang that on with a 7 out of 10. Other than that, it's slick, it's nice, it looks good. It seems to be made of some great material. There's a nice, decent light and glow. You've got a USB if you want to charge your phone or anything like that. It has obviously it's got a car port, so if you want to be on the go, you know, you could bang it in your car. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's the Xbox Series mini fridge. I do like it, but a strong 7 out of 10 here for me. Could have been an 8, could have been a 9, could have been a 10, but it's not. Yeah, I'm being honest with you. But yeah, for the price, not bad at all. Keeps your cans warm. Not many though. But yeah, I'm going to showcase you this a bit more. But I've been Sawyer at Sawyers Game Central, and this has been the Gamer Guide, tried and tested review on the Xbox Series mini fridge. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. And peace.